was your name again? Sorry. Abby. Introduce yourself. I'm Rachel.
And GH Sushi.
Pangalan mo. I'm GHB and GH. Pangalan mo. Namit ko pangalan.
This is Eugenio, Emilio,
Pedro.
Hector, Alejandro, Lady Gaga over there.
Hi, I'm calling her.
I'm calling her, that's her name.
Ay, hindi nga. You're calling her.
Baka kulang yung 1 hour natin.
Hindi, mahaba yan.
Okay, picture na naman.
Hindi kasi kailangan nusog dun eh. Yan. Yan, okay.
No, I saw her.
Focus.
Alright.
Okay, or ikaw na, Focus. Alright.
Should I go check? Malaki mo. Kins, dito ako dadaan. Ah, sige. Para dyan na rin siya dadaan. Hey, Patrick and Rich, Eileen doesn't know the thing.
This is crazy. You only get to take water, but first you're getting like a double shot of like real liquor. That's messed up. I know it is. It's her birthday, so she'll forgive us.
Oh, and the thing is, we just filled the bottle with water because we didn't buy anything.
So let's hear a reaction. Oh, yeah. Saan ka ba kayo?
Ay, dalian yan dito si Nix. Tira niya ng pagkain kasama si Kailan.
Okay, Nico, I'm going home. Bye.
Hindi tayo kami. Ang tagal eh.
Wala taas yan. Tignan natin ito pa, men. Ayan, nakita. Nakita ka eh. Ayan.
Huwag na natin pasini para regular ang mga.
Oh, group hug!